Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In WordPress, whenever someone comments with a link into your blog post, that link appears as a clickable link. And sometimes you might want to disable it because that link might be spammy or you don't want your visitors to leave your website. So in that case, you have to simply disable those links so that they appear as plain text. Now, in order to do that, you just have to follow this simple WordPress tutorial. So in your WordPress dashboard, hover onto Appearance and then click on Theme Editor. Now go to Theme Functions. This is basically the functions.php file of your WordPress theme, and here you can make some functions related changes. Now scroll down and at the end you have to add a small piece of code to make this happen. Now when you add this code, you will successfully disable auto linking of URLs in your WordPress comments. So I'm also adding this code in the description so that you can get it from there. Now make sure you have a recent backup of your website so that if anything goes wrong, you can always restore it later. Now once you have pasted it, you just need to update the file. So click on this update file option and you can see that the file is edited successfully. Now remember that this code will not only remove this functionality for the users but for the admins as well. So even if you try to post a link into your WordPress comments, it will still not appear as a link, it will just appear as a plain text. So this will entirely remove that functionality from your WordPress comments. Now this is how you can disable auto linking of your URLs in your WordPress comments. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people, so please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.